The priorities that they should focus on should fall in line with the principles that the GDPR legislation is asking organisations to do, which are namely implementing a privacy by design model, being able to demonstrate that they are accountable for the data that they hold, and also being able to have an instant response plan should anything happen to that data. Well, Varonis provides organisations and our customers with the ability to, first of all, create a digital asset register. Where is this information that they need to take control of and protect? This European PII information. So the first thing they must do is actually run a scan or discovery to find out where it is. Once they have that information, once they have that register, then they can then make decisions about should they retain that information? Do they hang on to information that they should have got rid of years ago? Can we delete it? Can we archive it? Can we reduce the scope of information that we need to protect? The follow-up to that is then being able to ensure that that data is secure properly. This is what our customers are doing. They're able to identify information that's perhaps overexposed, where far too many employees in the company can actually see it, and start to lock it down, ensuring that only those employees that need to have access to it retain access, and those don't obviously lose access. And then the underlying piece for all of this is being able to react when something perhaps like a breach happens. This is the instant response plan. We're going to need visibility. We're going to need an understanding of who's touching the data, who has access to it. Varonis provides a framework that not only provides visibility, but also context and the sensitivity of the data, but also those employees that are touching it. So should something happen, they now have a window into what information that was potentially touched, potentially stolen, potentially breached. So if you account for these three principles, I think there's a lot we can do to actually go some way to being able to achieve compliance with GDPR.